Hello viewers, welcome to the new sewing hub. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to clean a manual sewing machine. You can also apply this to your industrial machine. Now I'm with my piece of rag and also with a screw. See how I'm cleaning the sewing machine. Please, if you are new to this channel, you are welcome, and please click the subscribe button. If you're a returning viewer, you're also welcome. I'm cleaning the handle of the sewing machine here. I'm cleaning it properly. Just I've turned the under. See, I'm going to clean every joint. I'm cleaning every joint from oil and dust also, because this is actually the first part of this video. I also have the second part of this video where I oiled the whole parts, and I'm going to drop the link in the comment section. Now this is this is where the shuttle area is. See how I shifted it? I raised it up a bit, then I shifted it by the side. Now I'll bring her to my own shuttle. I've also bring this one out. I'm also going to clean it. My next video I'm going to tell you guys, we are going to name all the different parts of the sewing machine. Now I've also bring this one out. Just watch guys, watch closely. In my second video, that's where I showed how I also fixed everything back, because some people do tell me that they are really afraid of losing their sewing machine, but I did it here in my second video. I lost it in my first video, then in my second video, the one that I told you, I'm going to drop the link in the comment section. I fixed everything back as well. I'm done with the cleaning. Then see, I'm now going to make use of my screw. Just watch closely guys, watch closely. See that knot there? Remember, it's not star, it's just straight. Then I'm also making the use of the flat side of the sewing of the screw. Sorry, I've lost the second knot also. Please make sure that you keep your knot so safe, so that when you are also fixing back, you won't be searching for it. See, I'm cleaning it. See guys, I'm now removing the particles, the dirt from the teeth of the machine. Just watch closely. Just watch closely. I'm cleaning it, making sure that there is no dirt there. In my next video I'm going to show you guys where I oiled. Just watch closely. We're done with this side. Now the knots holding this plate, I'm going to lose it a bit, then I'll push it up a bit. See them, I push it up a bit, then I bring it out. Just watch closely, see what I did there. I'm just bringing it out. See guys, I've started cleaning it. This plate that I pointed now, don't your hand should not touch there, because if it falls out, you are going to buy a new one to replace it, because it have spoiled. Just watch closely. I'm making use of a screw, actually a small screw, to clean the place that my hands can't reach. this how they now this things. I'm cleaning it. Remember guys, I'm also cleaning the oil and dust from the sewing machine. I'm going to add new oil to it. Please also subscribe if you are yet to, so as to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching my video. Stay tuned to my channel for the video.